that stands out in the whole history of the CPC. It's a party that was emerged from the people, was created by the people, and has always sought to stay close to the people. And there's no denying the enormous successes of China back to 1949, but even more so in recent decades. That can only be done and can only be achieved by a party that retains its close links with the people and its roots in the working people of China. The great mobilization that took place among the people of China, the trust that the Chinese people obviously had in their ruling party and in their government, meant that together they were able to take the kind of drastic measures, undoubtedly drastic measures, but measures that have proved to have been successful in overcoming and containing the pandemic. New industry, new housing, new social facilities, the cleanup of the rivers and so on. I thought that was a wonderful example, and the local people that we met were very proud of the beautiful, clean village and its surroundings that they, with the support and involvement of the party and local and central government, were able to achieve. So that stands out, but I'm sure I could think of many other examples. In terms of overcoming such pandemics, again, the value, the need for and the value of international cooperation, of us sharing our knowledge and our resources and our solidarity. I think the COVID pandemic has underlined that, and of course there's the great challenge of global warming and climate change. I'm delighted to say that relations between the Communist Party of Britain and the CPC have grown ever closer over the last 20 years or so, with numerous delegations from one party to the other party, and we have found that very valuable. It's helped us, I think, to understand the processes at work in Chinese society and the policies of the Chinese party and government. So we want to see those visits, of course, resume once the pandemic has been overcome.